stuck in the cage of their own thoughts, a concern about their heart. No, this is not acceptable, real. Nothing is fake about you. Or somehow you're stuck with this person, leading themselves towards a harsh ending. And the way you are stuck, it will convert it into an obsession. Hi Libra, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of December. Keep in mind that these readings are journal. This may resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from this reading, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this pattern. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's life, what is happening in their mind, what their attentions and what they're thinking towards you. Okay, Libra, let's get started. What are the Libra person's feeling, thinking, and attentions towards Libra? What are the Libra person's feeling, thinking, and attentions towards Libra? What are the Libra person's feeling, thinking, and attentions towards Libra? And we are having here Five of Wands, Nine of Wands, Eight of Swords, Knight of Wands. What are the Libra's feelings toward this person? What are the Libra's feelings toward this person? And we are having here Queen of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, King of Swords. So what are the mutual energies, Libra? Okay. Ten of Swords and the Devil. Okay, Libra. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. It could be any Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Five of Wands, Nine of Wands and Knight of Wands. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Queen of Swords, King of Swords, Ten of Swords and Eight of Swords. Pisces with this Hanged Man, Capricorn with this Devils, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Queen of Pentacles. Okay, Libra, let's talk about your person's feeling here. And your person is in some kind of competition. This person is in people involve a lot of fighting and arguments and disputes and a lot of people. This person is crowded by people, and after listening these people's opinions, various opinions, discussions, this person become a little bit stuck in their own mind, stuck in their own head. Like this person is stuck in their thoughts and the anxiety and some kind of unnecessary things, unnecessary overthinking, because of a lot of people is talking around them, discussing something. That's why this person is like overthinking, and just these are insecurities bubbling up inside their mind, inside their thinking. This person feels stuck and tied somewhere because of these people talking, and there is some kind of people pleasing involved in this situation. And this is what they don't want in their life, but they are feeling these Nine of Wands right now. And Nine of Wands is about when already you wounded, already you get a lot of scars in past from your relations, from your people around you, from your ex relationships. Already wounded, and now this person is feeling that again because of this this is Five of Wands, and because of this Eight of, this person is stuck in their mind, stuck in their own mind, stuck in the cage of their own thoughts, and this is their feelings, this is their current situation. They really don't want to feel that, but they are protecting, they want to protect, they are protecting, they are a little bit uh, concerned about their heart, and these concern, they are protecting their heart. Well, they are waiting for something, like maybe something bad happening again to their life. They are like that in this situation. No, what else? What happened again? Is it repeating again? This kind of situation that this person is facing right now, and there is a lot of thoughts, and there is a lot of people and people pleasing involved. And because of this people pleasing, because they get affected by people's opinion, and their passion is on and off towards you. This person is totally stuck in this fake drama, and that's why this person's passion towards you is on and off. When they think about you, they feel so passionate and adventurous and excited, but when they think about their situation, they feel so off with this Knight of Wands. And if we talk about your side, you are strict toward this person. You are not like immature person who just take everything and just like over optimistic about the situation. No, you are just straightforward. You analyze things. You know the reality. You know what is ground reality, what is reality. You are like this queen of sword. Like you're thinking in your head. You know what you want. You know what you want in your life. You are this queen of sword, and you are strict toward this person. You are not going to take any BS. No, this is not acceptable. And you are, instead of wasting your time and your energy to this person, you are really don't want to be a part of this person's people pleasing, and you really don't want to be with this person's part of this person's anxiety and whatever happening in this situation. So you, instead of wasting your time and your energy there, directly or indirectly, you are paying attention on yourself with this Queen of Pentacles. Self-love, self-nourishment, this is a really right move. You are so mature and wise person. You know what you want. You really don't want to take any BS from this person, and you are like this Queen of Pentacles. You are paying attention on yourself, and this is you, who you are, real. Nothing is fake about you. And somehow, destiny there. No matter what we do, sometimes we feel helpless in front of destiny. So this is a major arcana destiny card. Somehow you're stuck with this person. You are stuck in this situation. Right now, you need to hold on with your queen qualities. You are like doing well. You are doing great, Libra. You are holding on your queen's qualities. Even you are stuck, but you are so holding on your queen's qualities so tight. This is impressive. It's amazing the way you are holding on your these qualities. And toward this person, you are a little bit cold and straightforward. Like queen in your chart, king in your chart. Queen of sword, like you are strict. Queen of king of sword, you are cold. Your feelings are cold. Your feelings are under snow. You are cold toward this person, and because of your this strategy, this person is, and because of this people pleasing and people involved and fighting, this situation leading this person to a harsh ending. A painful harsh situation is waiting for this person in upcoming days. If this person stuck like that and never take action, they are leading themselves towards a harsh ending, harsh painful ending and pain. They are leading themselves towards pain. People pleasing giving only give them this ten of sword pain. And the devil, you feel like that this person is like, you are surrounded by obsession. You feel like that there is a obsession, there is a pull, there is like some kind of karmic pull between both of you. Eventually, whatever happening there here and the way you are stuck, it will convert it into a obsession. There is a pull between both of you, karmic toxic pull between both of you, toxic connection. It become toxic, and obsessive energy surrounded you, Libra. The way situation is going towards bad and harsh ending, this person become obsessed over you, and you are also affected by this person's obsession. You become also obsessed over this, if you the way you are stuck here, there, here. So there is an obsession surrounding you, obsessive energy surrounding you. So let's see what else we have for you, Libra. What else for Libra? What else for Libra? What else for Libra? And we are having here Ten of Cups, Knight of Sword, and as an outcome, Four of Swords. So with this person see you a potential partner. No matter what people talking about, what people saying, what kind of their opinion, even this person is stuck. Even this person is feeling this Nine of Sword, a past, traumas and past, baggages. Even this person is remembering all that. But one thing is clear in this person's mind: you are a potential partner. You are a perfect marriage material. You are their happiness. You are their wish fulfillment. You are completion of love for this person. They can have this beautiful family with you. They know that one thing is clear in this person's mind. And this, you eventually, when you this obsession and trust energy surrounds you because of this person and this person's thoughts and this person's folks, definitely you get a little bit, restless and a little bit aggressive towards this. And if we, the way this Knight of Sword facing you, the way you are strict and this person got mad at you, this is another possibility. The way you are strict and straightforward and paying attention on yourself, this person little bit aggressive and get, angry on you, and this person feels some kind of jealousy, this person feels some kind of, love it. This person feel like that they love you but they hate you the way you like that, the way you are, this queen's qualities. This person will, feel some kind of jealousy and feel some kind of a love and a hate situation, right, in this person for you. And in the end, devils and the Four of Sword break between both of you, space between both of you, distance between both of you. Upcoming days, you feel like that, tired of each other, tired of the situation. You really don't want to be stuck with this person anymore. So there is, harsh breakup maybe between both of you. These are your energies, these are your cards. A break between both of you, a space between both of you. So let's see what message from your angel, what message from your angel in this situation. You deserve the best. Reach for the stars with your dreams and desires and don't compromise. Such a beautiful and relevant message for you, Libra. Do not compromise. This is not your headache. What advice messages I should have for you? Pray to God for peace in your life. Share your feelings with your friends. Don't be an option. Spend some time with your mother. Meditate. These are few advice messages in the end for you, Libra. And the summary of your reading is this person is stuck, with people pleasing, with their past trauma, with their past packages, and this person is on and off towards you. Their passion is on and off towards you. This person love you, this person hate you because you are strict and straightforward. You are demanding what you deserve. You are not taking any BS from this person. And in the end, this person leading themselves towards a harsh ending, and there is a break between both of you. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.